Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here to make a short video about a tool that's gonna possibly change your business and take it to the next level. This is specifically a tool. This is not like a full body company. This is actually a tool, and it's a ringless voice drop tool called Ringless Aln. And if you know anything about ringless drops, you know what a ringless drop pretty much is. You can have a voicemail sent to your lead's phone. It'll show up as the notification, it'll show up as a missed call, but you didn't really call their phone. And in the message you can have your opportunity, your link, etc. So how this specific ringless voice drop mail works, within the platform you're able to get your leads, especially at a discount rate. You're able to get your usage. Everything is in one, and everything is customizable, so you can make your own message. You can make your message down to the T, up to 60 seconds long, and you can customize it to where when people call back, they can either go to a phone, go directly to you, or if you're in something like TextBot, you can send them directly to your TextBot phone number. You can decide for them to opt out, if they don't want to hear this, so you can, avoid, doing, spammy type things, or you can transfer them to another message for another opportunity. You can say, hey, if this opportunity isn't for you, click 1 to go to my new opportunity, or click 2 to, never opt in again. But I'm actually going to kill two birds in one stone, because they actually have another platform called textaln. And what's so powerful about this together is textaln is going to give you the ability to have a short code. You ever get, coupons from a short code number, and it's saying, hey, we have this discount, etc. What makes it so powerful is you can get a short code. You're going to have your own personalized keyword. So let's say the keyword is cash. So people are going to text cash to, this short code. And through this short code, you can set it up to deliver your website or wherever you want to send them to. And when they choose to pretty much opt in to your text message list, now you can treat it as an autoresponder and message these leads on a daily basis. Mobile autoresponder, no one's really talking about it, but it is the most lucrative, hot thing you can have, because people do open emails, but they always open text messages. So these two are really linked. Yes, I said, this video is about Ringless Aln, but they both really pretty much go together. So a short code is going to allow you to make that voice drop message and put your short code in the message. Hey, text Fireboss to 90407. And you can put your domain name in there, but it's even quicker. Or text cash to so. It's even more simple, but it's even more legible through voice text. Cash to this short number. It's setting you up to have a way better conversion rate, but also multiple chances that they're going to actually go to the website, because you have a short code, you have a domain, and then you're going to be able to transfer them to whatever you want to transfer them to. I purchased these two platforms pretty much together. At the time, there was a promotion where I pretty much got, 2-in-1. Right now, they're separate. So below, I'm going to have separate links for both platforms, and there's different packages. I think the textaln platform even has a package for as low as $25. Obviously, it's kind of like a sample level. You obviously want to purchase more credits. So for example, when you send a text message out, or someone opts in and they get your autoresponder message, meaning when they opt in, they get a message right away, that's going to count as a credit. So you can kind of get the idea. You want to have a bit of credits in a voice drop. All these platforms actually come with credits as well. So you're going to see what package you want, and you're going to see pretty much determining how many credits you think you're going to use. These two tools aren't being talked about a lot because they're still fresh. They're real fresh, but these are two tools that are pretty much the meat and potatoes on how to get to the leads and how to generate leads. We're giving you leads with the platform. So you're getting right to the leads. It's up to you to do what you want to do with the leads. You also can earn commissions, you know, from offering these packages and this platform to others as well. It's not a big giant affiliate company, but you are compensated for your efforts. So Text Aln, I don't know, it sounds so weird. Text Aln and Ringless Aln are two tools that I would be talking about a lot. I've been using them for the last 2 weeks, and I absolutely love it. Marketing with a short code and keyword is so crucial. Like right now, if you text Fireboss, one word, you know, all together, Fireboss, to 90407. You can you can test this thing and really see how it works. I'm gonna leave it below. It's probably gonna be on the thumbnail. It's gonna be everywhere. You know, text Fireboss to 90407. Look how easy and simple it is to share a short code and keyword versus www or icreatebosses.com or etc. But thanks for watching this video. I hope you got some value. I hope you take advantage of these two tools, you know, while they're nice prices. And I'm telling you, it's gonna help your business out a lot. Comment below any questions or anything you want to hear about next on the channel, and stay tuned.